Hey everybody, it's Jasmine and today I'm going to IKEA to get some stuff for my apartment. This is my second time in IKEA, first time actually buying something, so it's really exciting. We ended up going about 20 minutes before IKEA opened and there were people lining up, so that's really weird. Obviously we ended up being one of those people because we were so early. But yeah, it's such a crazy store and I wouldn't recommend going there too often because it is quite stressful, but really cheap. So we need to get Juana, a plant, picture frames, maybe a mat and a duvet. And we're already up to 470 kroner, which is about, it's almost $100. Oh yeah, not too bad. But the duvet will probably be the most expensive thing, so yeah. Has free Wi-Fi. Oh, gosh. Oh wow.
It'd be nice if you don't have any colors in there.
Yeah. I'm thinking about putting pink in. Do you think Swedish interiors look very similar because everybody shops at IKEA?